Hey guys, Miss Tate down here in the corner. So this is our new science teak for this week. It's 4.5a. I'm going to read it. We're going to pull it apart before I explain our activity for today. So it says, measure, compare, and contrast physical properties of matter, including mass, volume, states, which is solid, liquid, and gas, temperature, magnetism, and the ability to sink or float. So there's a lot of information in this teak. And we're not going to focus on all of it today. We're going to focus on one aspect of it today. But let's just kind of try to understand what this means. So we're going to do three things. So the three things we're going to do is we're going to measure, we're going to compare, and we are going to contrast. Those are three things we're going to do. And what are we going to do that to? We're going to do that with the physical properties of matter. Now, what are the physical properties of matter? They're right here in our teak. So what does physical properties of matter? There's about 6 of them. So the first physical property of matter is mass. The second one is volume. The third one would be the states of matter, so solid, liquid, or gas. Temperature is the 4th. Magnetism is the 5th. And then the ability to sink or float is the 6th. So we're going to learn how to measure mass, measure volume, measure temperature, measure magnetism, and measure the ability to sink or float. We will compare and contrast different masses, compare and contrast different volumes, compare and contrast different temperatures, magnetism, ability to sink and float. So that's a lot to do. We're not going to do that all in one day. Today, the only part we're going to focus on is magnetism. So we are going to be doing like a virtual lab on the next slide where you guys are going to be testing different objects to see if they are magnetic or not. And you're going to be recording your information on a sheet of paper, separating them out between magnetic or non-magnetic. And then you're going to type in your answers and submit those to us.